Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing obstacles. Physically clean the lens and take off any case or protector that interferes. Once done, free 1 to 2 gigabytes and reboot so settings refresh. Make sure Android and your camera app are up to date, and confirm permissions allow full camera access. Now open the camera, switch to highest resolution, and disable basic filters. These steps immediately eliminate obvious software and storage causes before we move into tuning exposure and sensor behavior. Next, you adjust the camera's parameters to match the scene. In Pro or manual mode, set ISO low for daylight, reduce shutter speed for light balance, and correct white balance. Lock focus after framing. RAW capture preserves detail and avoids heavy in-phone processing. Enable it when present. Also disable aggressive electronic stabilization or excessive beauty processing that crops or softens images. If the stock app still limits controls, install a reputable third-party camera app to access fuller sense. To finish, you validate changes with controlled tests. Shoot in bright light, low light, and backlit scenes and compare results. If artifacts or blur remain, clear the camera app cache and test in safe mode to rule out interfering apps. Make a backup and perform a factory reset only if software causes are likely. Finally, test both front and rear modules and record video. If quality fails across modes, you're likely facing a hardware issue and should seek sensor repair or replacement as the last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.